Potatoes gon' potate, taters gon' tate, and haters gon' hate.
It's time that I start cleaning my room. From all my stuff that I brought from Corvallis. It's not just this stuff. But I have more somewhere else, I don't know where, and more in another car. So, I need to take all of these things out of their bags, put them where I need to put them. I'm also gonna start going through my closet, because I have a lot of clothes that I should probably get rid of. So, I'll show you guys updates of the process. So I'm taking a break now because I'm hungry. And we ordered food, and it's pizza and wings. From Pizza Hut, there's garlic parmesan and buffalo wings, and then pepperoni pizza, and then like a pizza with veggies on it. I'm excited. Okay, the food was really good, and before I ate and after I ate, I decided to finish something that, like a project that I decided to start. So basically like a lot of notes that have been given to me over the past few years at college that are like meaningful to me, and like pictures I took with people, things I made at university, and then things that I got just from like other countries. I decided to make like put them like on pieces of cardboard in order to be able to put them on the walls, and I don't have to keep taking them down. I can leave them on those pieces of cardboard, so if I ever move, or when I move again, I can just neatly like stow away those pieces of cardboard somewhere, and I don't have to keep taking them off the walls and peeling off all the tape. And I'm so sorry that my hair looks wild and crazy, but here's the things. So like I made this in a Japanese class, in Japanese culture class actually. From what I can remember, this means woman, this comes from friend, this is strong, and this is chaos. It's like a gist of what those characters would mean. I was given both of these from my boss over the 2 years that I've worked at the Asian and Pacific Cultural Center for New Year's. My sister got this chocolate from Ghana, so I saved the wrapper. My friend got this for me when he went to Vietnam because we have a joke together about like we call each other communist and comrade and stuff because we both come from former communist countries, kind of former, they're still kind of communist. Then these are from my first year. They're just like really nice notes that I was written by some people in a group that I used to be part of at OSU for 2 years, this Christian group. These, I made this and this during, I think it was a Cinco de Mayo celebration that the Centro, one of the centers on campus was throwing this Cinco de Mayo event, and I got these two from South Korea at 2 different museums made by different artists. These are just pictures that I have with my friends. These are with my best friend. Some of these are with my best friend, with my best friend, with my best friend and another friend. Then these are with roommates and other friends from OSU. And then just some encouraging notes to remind myself of things. These are more encouraging notes that were written to me by coworkers that I cherish and hold dear to my heart. It's very uplifting and helpful sometimes to have these notes written by people that care about you and that you care about, to read and remind yourself of. Also, some of these are really cute. Like this one, so many of them have like little drawings of slides because so many people know me for slides. And there's like a cute little pop-up. And the notes, the messages, the descriptions are so on point. And then these are 2 milk cartons that I took apart and cleaned, washed, and brought with me back from
Korea because I really love that milk. That milk is so good. But I also miss Korea so much and I'd love to live there. I'd love to either live in Korea or Japan. So maybe sometime in the future for me. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, back to cleaning. So while I'm trying on clothes, I'll try to show you guys some of the clothes that I am keeping and some of the clothes that I'm not keeping. So with this one I have two. I have this one and I have a gray one. This one and the gray one both I've had for a long time. This blue one seems a little like looser, but I like the darker color better. So I don't know which one I'll keep. I think I'll just get rid of this one. So these pants, I don't think I'm gonna keep them. They have like that extra material in the front and they're like too tight, I guess, in the back. I feel like it should be like reversed the other way around, like the butt should be in the front and the crotch should be in the back. I guess for that reason, because they don't fit right, I'm gonna get rid of them. So I had bought these pants too for South Korea. Forgot to bring them with me, didn't get to wear them there. But I like the pants, it's something different from what I usually wear. I'm going to keep these. So I have a whole matching set. This with these. I don't know why I got a whole matching set. I had the option of buying this in blue or buying these in blue, but I decided to buy them both in white because I thought to myself like, oh, maybe one day I'll wear a whole matching set. I never have. But here it is. Definitely keeping these because they're really nice. They were expensive. And it's a matching set. So I really like this sweater. I thought about should I keep it, should I not? I decided I guess I will keep it. It's nice. It's like it's still breathable when it's not too hot, not too cold. So I guess I'll just keep it for a bit more. So this one I got in South Korea. I really don't know why I liked it. I like the sweatshirt one more, but I didn't want to pay as much for the sweatshirt one. But I don't like the sleeves. The sleeves are really weird. I guess I'll keep it, but I'll see how I feel about it. So these pants I had bought together with another pair of pants. These ones. For when I went to South Korea last summer, because my goal was I'm gonna wear nicer clothes in South Korea, and I know especially these pants that I'm wearing right now are pants that I have seen in South Korea before, like lots of South Koreans wearing them. I forgot when I packed everything, and I think I was on my way to South Korea, like flying. I kept thinking about like, okay, like did I grab everything that I need? Did I grab everything I need? And I realized I forgot to bring the pants that I bought specifically for South Korea. I didn't get to wear these in South Korea, but I really like the pants, so I'm gonna try to wear them here. I'm gonna try to style them. And yeah, I'm gonna keep these. I like this sweatshirt a lot. I got it when I was in South Korea when I went to Gukgiwon, the headquarters for the World Taekwondo Federation. And I really like it. The sleeves are a little short and it goes up a little bit when I raise my hands, but it's a souvenir and it's a memory. So, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this dress. I think I might. It's a little short though, like if I would bend over you could see maybe something. I'm not gonna do that though because I don't want YouTube to like flag this video, but I've had this dress for a while. I really like it, so I think this might be the last year that I can have it. My aunt from Romania got me this dress. Not got me, gave it to me. I think she received it from someone, so she gave it to me one time when I visited. I think it's an okay dress, except for I don't like the pockets on the sides, the way it like bulges. I don't know. I don't think I'll keep it. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping this shirt just because it's really tight around the chest area, around my boobs, and the arms are kind of tight too, and it's not really my thing. Stripes, first of all, isn't really my thing. This color isn't really my color for clothes. I honestly wear like darker clothes, black and things like that, so yeah, I don't think this color suits me anymore. I'll still keep these shorts, but I'm hoping I'll get a little skinnier just so that I can fit in them better and so that I don't punch over. So these shorts, I don't think I'm going to be keeping. I'm not very comfortable wearing shorts anymore. These shorts literally are like right at the bottom of my butt cheek. Like here's my butt cheek and like the shorts are like right here. Because of that, I think I'm gonna get rid of these two. So I don't think I'm gonna keep these ones. I really like them, but I don't think I'm gonna keep them just because they don't stay on. As in, like, the material itself isn't good, like, at the waistband, at the top, and they keep sliding down, and they're a little short on the bottom, and there's this hole that I've been trying to fix for so long, but I can't. It just keeps getting undone, so I think I'm just gonna get rid of them. So I got this shirt from a friend. It says hello on the front, goodbye in the back. I want to keep it because I got it from a friend. It's really hard for me to get rid of things because of sentimental value. I think it's cute. It's not really things that I wear anymore, but I guess on days where I want to feel like different or something, I can pull this shirt out and wear it and just like wear pants over it or something. So I got these pants in South Korea. I have gained I feel like a lot more weight in quarantine because damn, these were hard to pull up, especially over my hips. But it fits well in the waist, it fits fine, it feels fine when I sit down. I like that they're shorter. So yeah, I'm gonna be keeping these. I think I'm probably gonna get rid of this one, just because I don't like the way that it has these things on the sides, and it's like shorter in the front. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. So I think I'm gonna keep this. When I ordered it, I wish I ordered it one size smaller. I was thinking I needed it just a little bit bigger. I wish I got it a little smaller. But I like it because it's like nice and flowy and airy. So I'm gonna keep this one. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this shirt. It is a little short. These are really high-waisted leggings. But I'll see if I'll keep this shirt or not. I'm really tired. I showered earlier today and I'm so sweaty now. I feel so gross. But I've been trying on a lot of clothes. I've been trying on a lot of leggings. I will show you how many I have right now so far. This is all my leggings so far. I still have more. Inside the other car that is filled with all my clothes from Corvallis.